to the driver's seat. Hello my friends, welcome back. Welcome to the driver's seat of the 2020 Range Rover Evoque. It's a 2020 models, and yeah, let's come with me, test drive this one and see what it is. It's come with all the touch, touch control button on the steering wheel. It has your like regular cruise control, volume, channel change, Bluetooth connection for your phone, all those standard stuff. And on the gate cluster, you can see your RPM, your odometer, and they also add the navigation on it also. And over here you have your two screen. The top screen, it's also for all the displays, all the function up there for navigation, audio, and all kind of control stuff. And then down here and on the bottom here, you have another screen, touch screen or touch control panel for all the AC control stuff. And the drive is very comfort. I know it's a Range Rover, so it has to be like comfort. And it comes standard with all the newer technology like blind spot detection, lane keep assist, and heated steering wheel also. Got a navigation right here in case that you go into someplace new. It's showing you the direction just so you won't get lost. And here are the AC control panel down here to keep you cool. And we have a shifter, of course. This one comes with a 2.0 turbo engine, and come with a 9-speed automatic all-wheel drive. My first impression is very the power is very good throughout all the RPM. The shifting is smooth, the power transfer is smooth, the ride is very smooth. See, the shifter, to put it in drive, you have to push the button in the front here, then pull it down to drive. Or any gear, you just gotta push that button to put it in gear. Then when it's in gear, it pushes to the left so that you can shift it manually. Sequential shift. Then put it back to drive like normal drive. And on touchscreen you can turn it on, control the seat, and then this climate control. You can turn it on or off with just a touch of button right here. And then when you select the climate control, this ring right here, also this side showing the temperature and the other side will show the fan speed. And also, I mean, when you touch it, also up like either the temperature or the fan speed, then you can adjust it. Like this one, I'm touching the fan speed, then it turns into fan speed, so I can adjust it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, vehicle setting. I mean, all the. Then you go to the vehicle function right there. It'll show you like different condition set up for like different driving mode for the vehicle, like eco, regular, snowing, terrain, off-road, and all kind of stuff. It's a Range Rover, so they setting up for those type of road either. And then you go to setting there. You can choose to set in the display, set in the climate control. Just go here and easier climate control. Turn the speed up, and you can touch it. Like that's like the picture right here. Like you can choose like to the face, to the feet, and yeah, just like direction of the air. It's so cool on these Range Rover. Everything is like touch screen now. My home screen, navigation. And this model come with the panorama roof also, and of course it's come with all the leather seat, leather panels, and the leather dash also with soft touch. The steering wheel is comfy, soft to touch. It's just like it's premium luxury car. shifting on this one. Hi guys, that was a good little drive. Thanks you for coming with me, and please leave a comment below what do you think about these Range Rover. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Check out the interior. It's the back seat. Got a panorama roof. Rear AC. Got 20-inch wheel. Got a power tailgate. A lot of trunk space. More interior, all soft touch door panels. Passenger seat.